Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Bondex or BDXN on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps, then you can see there is Alpha tab here, and you can just click Alpha tab here, and then you can click BDXN here, and this is the charge. Bondex just get list, so this is the charge. The charge looks like not very good. And if you want to see the information, you can click info in the top here, and then you can see there is the 24-hour volume, and then the market cap. You can see the audit also. And if you want to if you want to trade, you can just click trade here, and you can choose limit order or instant order. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.